Hey everyone, how are you all? I hope you are going well. Today we are here to discuss about one topic. Name is knowledge. What is knowledge? I will listen, and today they will speak their opinion about knowledge. What is knowledge? But before debating, let me know about their self. Okay, tell me your short introduction.
Thank you, sir. My name is Aman Sefi, and I study in 7th class, and I live in Meerut.
Okay, and you?
Thank you, sir. My name is Saqib and I study in ninth class. I live in Nangla Tasik.
Okay, you?
Hello everyone, my name is Swati and I am studying BSc third year and I live in Barjevra.
Okay, so now topic arises knowledge. What is knowledge? What do you think about knowledge? Speak loudly. Yeah.
Knowledge is the most important and powerful thing. So if you have knowledge, so you can do everything. And if you don't have knowledge, so you can't do anything. So knowledge is the most important. And if you and suppose if you are going to for interview and interview sir will speak and what do you think about job, so you have knowledge, so you will speak.
Yes.
And knowledge is the most important.
Okay. Okay, knowledge is most important. What do you think?
Knowledge is the most important for our life. If you have knowledge, so we can do everything. If you don't have knowledge, so we can't do anything. So knowledge is the most important. With the help of knowledge, we can make a house and we can make everything. If you don't have knowledge, so how will you make tea, and how will you speak English?
Yes, yes.
And knowledge is the most important. If you are going to go to school, so madam will speak, what is your name. If you have knowledge, so you will speak, my name is Aman Sefi.
Yes.
If you don't have knowledge, so I won't speak. Knowledge is the most important thing.
Okay. Knowledge is most important. Okay, and what do you think?
According to me, knowledge is the most important in our life because nowadays knowledge is the most important. If you have knowledge, so we can do everything. And if we don't have knowledge, so we can't anything. Suppose it you have knowledge and you go to in for interview, so you can speak anything, but you don't have knowledge, so you can't and
Speak.
speak anything. And
Now listen. Okay, now I'm asking to you that if you have if you have knowledge about English, that's why you are speaking. And if you don't have knowledge about English, so how will you speak? In first time when you joined coaching, so you didn't know about knowledge.
Yeah.
You didn't know about English. So could you speak English?
no.
Then tell us. When you joined coaching, yes.
When I joined coaching, so I can't speak English, but after some time I can speak I can speak English. And
Why? Why?
because I am learning English that time, and now I am learning English, so I can speak now
Why?
in English
Because of
of
knowledge.
knowledge. Because bhaiya, nowadays English is the most important, so and environment is the most important for English,
Yes.
so that's why English.
Okay, now I'm asking to you that if you don't know about English, can you speak English? If you don't know any knowledge, okay, about work, about study, can you do that? Speak. Without knowledge, can you do anything?
No, I can't do that.
Yes. Why?
So when I don't have knowledge, so I can't speak English, and after some days I'm learning English, so I can speak English. Some speak English
Why?
because of knowledge.
Yeah.
So knowledge is the most important.
Okay. What can you do with the help of knowledge in your life? Yes. For
I
study, for your aim, for your study, like.
With the help of knowledge we can do everything, and with the help of knowledge we can get job, and we can get money, and we can get we can buy everything.
Okay. Why are you saying that if you have knowledge, so we can do everything, we can get anything? Why? How are you saying we can get job with the help of knowledge? How? You can earn money. You are saying that we can earn money with the help of knowledge. How? How will you earn money with the help of knowledge? What will you do?
So because I will study and for knowledge, so I will study, so I will get knowledge, and I will go to interview, so uh, so I will get job,
Yes.
and we can I can get money.
Okay. Now tell me, knowledge. What do you think more about knowledge?
Knowledge is a most important and powerful thing. With the help of knowledge, we can. I will give respect to teacher, and I will give respect to teacher, and we can do everything with the help of knowledge. With the help of knowledge, we can make everything, and
Okay, and if suppose you are going to make tea, okay, you don't know how to make tea. Can you make tea?
no, I can't make tea.
Why?
If you don't have, if you don't, I don't have knowledge, so I
You
I
can't
wo
make.
you I can't make tea.
Yes,
So
but
no,
but
but
if you have knowledge, so what will you do?
if you don't have knowledge, so we can't earn money.
Okay, actually I'm asking to you now. You are going to make tea. Okay, now you don't have knowledge that how to make tea. Okay, okay, so you can't make tea. Yes, and if you have knowledge about tea, that how to make tea, so can you make or not? It depends on knowledge. Like if you don't know how to speak English, how will you speak English? It depends on knowledge. If you have knowledge, you can speak. If you don't know knowledge, like if you don't know about English, how will you speak? What will you speak? Yes. Okay, what do you think more?
According to me, knowledge, yeah, most important. Suppose,
Okay, what will you do? You are studying.
yeah,
Why are you studying? For knowledge. Okay, we are studying for knowledge.
yeah.
But what will you do with the help of knowledge in your life?
Okay, with the help of knowledge, I will do I will do get job like doctor, police officer.
Yeah.
So how will you get this this
These
job,
jobs,
these
yes.
jobs? So knowledge, with the help of knowledge, you can we can get jobs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Right now you are a doctor. Suppose you are a doctor.
Yeah.
Yes, and you don't know how to do operation.
Yeah.
What will you do? And you have knowledge that how to do operation. So it depends on knowledge.
Yeah.
If you don't have knowledge that how to do operation, so you are not able to do operation. And if you have knowledge that how to do operation, you can do. So right now I would say that if we have knowledge about anything, we can do that. And if we don't have knowledge, what will we do? When I was learning English, so before learning English, I didn't have knowledge about English, but I couldn't speak. But when I joined English coaching, so day by day I was getting about English and I was speaking. Why? Because of knowledge. So knowledge is the most important for all people. Okay, because knowledge tells us what should we do in our life. Yes, there are two types of knowledge, bad and good. Okay, from where we get knowledge? From education. We are studying. Why? For knowledge. Yes, it depends on knowledge also. Okay, so thank you guys for watching us today. We have discussed, as you can see, that we have discussed about knowledge topic. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Tomorrow also we will make again video, like next video we will make. Okay, so thank you so much guys. Bye bye.